How to make this easy glitch for your animations in Alight Motion. Add a rectangle shape and make it fill the composition. Go to Effects and add the turbulence effect from the procedural category. Take the stretch property and decrease the X value. This will create thin horizontal lines. Decrease the Y value of the stretch property to parallel the lines. Then decrease the bias property, which will allow the darker shades to overpower and show only a few thin lines. Now, add the displacement map effect from the distortion warp category. Adjust the offset property, which will make your project distort with thin lines like this. Now that we've gotten the glitchy stretch look, we can refine this to our liking by adjusting the turbulence effect. Adjusting the stretch property can also allow for thick distortion instead of the earlier thin one. And you can animate the parallax property to make these linear distortions move all the time. Animating the glitch. Set the offset property of the displacement map effect to 0. Move to where we'll make the glitch or distortion appear. Add a keyframe to mark the 0 distortion state. Move just a frame or two after and increase the offset. Then move to where we'll make the glitch end. Add a keyframe to continue the distortion state. Then add a 0 distortion keyframe a frame right after. The start difference by just a couple of frames makes the glitch effect abrupt, which is exactly what we want. Creating vertical distortion. We can also get vertical distortion. For that, please don't duplicate the displacement map effect. Yeah, it'll end up like this. Instead, duplicate the horizontal distortion layer and rotate it 90 degrees. Enhancing the glitch. And to improve the glitch effect, I'll make a higher range of the distortion effect our project. For that, I'll just duplicate our filter layer, then I'll adjust the stretch property of the turbulence effect. Block shape glitches can be made in Alight Motion too. Would you like a little tutorial on that next? I accidentally gave him a beard.